How to log in to your HelloFresh account. What is up everyone? In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily log into your HelloFresh account. But before we begin, I want you to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the bell icon so you get notified about our latest video as well. So if you guys didn't know, HelloFresh is a German meal kit company based on Berlin. It is the largest meal kit provider in the United States and also has an operations in Australia, Canada, New Zealand, and Europe. Alright, so let's see how you can easily log into it. The first thing that you will have to do is search on your web browser for HelloFresh and then click on the first link. This is the official website, so you will have to complete a short CAPTCHA here to verify that you're a human. Now, once you land on the homepage of the website, you will have the login option at the top right corner. Just click on it. And once you do that, you will just have to provide your email address and password. So just enter your email that you have connected your HelloFresh with and enter your password. And once you do that, you should be easily able to log in. But if you forgot your password somehow, you can click on it where they will send you a reset link and you should be able to reset your password. You can also continue with your Google account, your Apple ID, or your Facebook account as well. But if you don't have an account, you can always sign up for a new one by clicking right here. It will ask you for your email and to create a password and continue, and it's as easy as that. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.